So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are unable to access these games. That is the foundation to wonders. What is the issue? Let's cover it. So if you just click on start over here, you'll get a pop-up in red color that is this game has been ended. The problem is that they have a start and end time in each game. For example, if I just open the certification zone, you can see over here that the start time and date is here and end time and date is here. Similarly, in the foundation game which I have completed, you can see the start time and the end time is there. So it ended around 12 p.m. Okay, in 11:59 a.m. That is today only it ended. So you won't be able to complete this game. But the three-pointer game, that is the next game, skills at pitch, you can complete it because it will be ending also today only. The timeline is that around 8:59 p.m. So hurry up and complete these games because time is very limited and they have different deadlines. How to find it? I am just showing you. You have to simply click on start a game, and on the top you'll see the deadlines. Also there will be how many hours remaining and how many spots are remaining. So hurry up and complete all these challenges. For that solution you can just check the master sheet and just complete the challenge without any issue. If you face any issue, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you guys. I just wanted to update you. February games are ending. If you have already completed, the next roadmap is that March games will be coming and we'll complete it together without any issue. Thank you. Goodbye.